Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to add a link to a TikTok bio. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So go ahead into your profile and you can see that we have no bio yet. There is an option to do this, so go onto your edit profile and you'll just see bio. Now for those who are probably wanting a clickable link, this unfortunately is not available anymore. So you used to be able to go onto your settings and of course change the account from a normal account to a business account, which it is activated. Now with a business account, it will ask you to do a couple of things and I'll show it on screen now. So there are a couple of requirements in order to do that. You have to be a legitimate business in order to have that enabled. But if you were just looking to maybe have that bio, then of course we'll use our ProfileTree one as an example for Instagram. You could just copy and paste it in, and it does still give the option for people to hold down, copy and paste the bio. So unfortunately that is the only way to do it, unless you do go to your area here and then report a problem, like with the feedback and help. So if you report that problem and then just tell them a feedback, so no clickable bio, and just support it using some media, then hopefully they could come back to you and help you out to try to make the link clickable. So depending on however way you go about it, this unfortunately is the only way to have a clickable link. But there you go guys, unfortunately that is the only way to have a link on bio. It's not a clickable link, but hopefully it has somewhat helped you locate the bio at least. So it's pretty much the same thing on mobile, it's the same as well for the PC. But anyways guys, if you did find the video helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.